अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। सत्यभामाधवं माधवं श्रीधरं राधिकाराधितं इन्दिरामन्दिरं चेतसा सुन्दरं देवकी नन्दनं नन्दजं सम्दधे। विष्णवे जिष्णवे शङ्खिने चक्रिणे रुक्मिणी रागिणे जानकी जानकी वल्लभी वल्लभा याचितायात्मने कंसविध्वंसिने वंशिने ते कृष्ण गोविंद हे राम नारायण श्रीपते वासुदेवाजित श्रीनिधे अच्युतानंद हे माधवाधोक्षज द्वारका नायक द्रौपदी रक्षक। राक्षस शोभित सीतया शोभितो दण्डकारण्यभूपुण्यताकारण लक्ष्मणेना।
The timeless wisdom of Lord Krishna to the sacred verses.
హరి అని రెండక్షరములు హరిని నామ పాతకములు. హరి అని రెండక్షరములు హరించు పాతకములు అంబుజనాభ. హరిని నామ మహత్యము హరిహరి పొగడంగ వశమే హరి శ్రీకృష్ణ భావము. ఓ అంబుజనాభ శ్రీకృష్ణ హరి అని నీ నామము ఈ లోకంలో ఏ నామం కన్నా ఎక్కువ విలువైనది. ధన్యవాదములు.
Lightening the land symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and the ushering in of knowledge and
केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। विष्णवे जिष्णवे शङ्खिने चक्रिणे रुक्मिणी रागिणे जानकी जानकी वल्लभी वल्लभा याचितायात्मने कंसविध्वंसिने वंशिने ते नमः। कृष्ण गोविन्द हे राम नारायण श्रीपते वासुदेवाजित श्रीनिधे अच्युतानन्द हे माधवाधोक्षज द्वारकानायक द्रौपदी रक्षक। राक्षसक्षोभित सीतया शोभितो दण्डकारण्यभूपुण्यताकारण लक्ष्मणेनान्वितो वानरैः सेवितो अगस्त्य सम्पूजितो राघव पातु माम्। धेनुकारिष्टको निष्ठकृद्वेषिः केशिः कंसहृत् वंशिका।
Good morning, respected Rakesh sir, Priyanka ma'am, principal ma'am, my dear colleagues and students. I greet you all genially on this beautiful day. Do you know why we all celebrate Janmashtami? Okay, then let me tell you why. It is the birthday of Lord Krishna, the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. Now, why do we celebrate it? We all must have wondered what is so special on this day, apart from sweets made of ghee, fancy dress competitions, and of course dances. It is the day when Lord Krishna was born in a prison in Mathura at the stroke of midnight. Even at birth, he faced great challenges, having to cross Yamuna River and be separated from his parents. As a young child, many demons sent by his uncle Kamsa attempted to take his life. Yet, Lord Krishna overcame every obstacle with a smile, enjoying his time in Gokul with his friends and foster parents Nanda and Yashoda. Despite the joys of his childhood, he never forgot his responsibilities. He fought and defeated his uncle Kamsa, freeing his parents from imprisonment. Afterwards, he studied at Sandipani Ashram, where he excelled not only in academics but also extracurricular activities. As a token of his gratitude, he brought back his teacher Sandipani's son from the dead. Lord Krishna was the epitome of excellence, a master flautist, a skilled herdsman, This is why we celebrate his birth, because he inspires us to live with joy without neglecting our education and personal growth. I hope we can all embrace the same joyful and learning attitude as Lord Krishna. I pray that he blesses us all with the wisdom and strength to follow in his footsteps, leading to glory and happiness. Thank you all for this honorable opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavya ma'am, for your inspiring words. Now let's celebrate the joy of Janmashtami with some energetic performances. 7. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी। बंसी बजैया रास रचैया, तारनहार मेरे तुम ही के वैया। तुमसे बड़ा कहाँ कौन कन्हैया। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज।
Come on, let's chant his name. Lord Krishna will be happy. Radha Rani will bless you and offer you the Krishna prem. So let's chant loudly, leave all anxiety. And please don't be worried, chant and be happy. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
బృందావనం నుంచి కృష్ణుడు వచ్చాడే, యమునా తీరాన ఉన్న రాధను చూశాడే, ఫ్రూటులేని గోపాలుడే, సుట్టు వేసే గోపాలుడే, విషం వచ్చిన బాలుడే, మాట వెంట పడిపోవుడే, కోల చేతడే కాల వేస్తడే మాయలోడు వీడే. హై బృందావనం నుంచి కృష్ణుడు వచ్చాడే, అలలల యమునా తీరాన ఉన్న రాధను చూశాడే.
मधुबन मुस्काए कभी छेड़े कभी बात करे, राधा कैसे न जले, राधा कैसे न जले, आग तन मन में लगे, राधा कैसे न जले, राधा कैसे न जले।
मधुबन में भले कान्हा किसी को पी से मिले, मन में तो राधा के ही प्रेम के हैं फूल खिले। किस लिए राधा जले, किस लिए राधा जले, बिना सोचे समझे, किस लिए राधा जले, किस लिए राधा जले।
घट की है बड़ी कठिन डगर पर ना माने ना, गाना माने ना।
మలాటల సుందరి ఓ వెన్నెల జాబిలి వైనాల మామిడి కృష్ణయ్య నీ నవ్వులాల జడి కృష్ణయ్య నా గుండెల సవ్వడి కృష్ణయ్య నీ నవ్వులాల జడి కృష్ణయ్య నా గుండెల సవ్వడి మాటు వేసే చాటుకి గోపికల కొలనుకి గోగు పూల తోటకి కృష్ణయ్య కోకలేవి జాడకి కృష్ణయ్య దొంగిలించే మాటికి కృష్ణయ్య కోకలేవి జాడకి కృష్ణయ్య దొంగిలించే మాటికి శ్యామ రూపుకి కృష్ణయ్య నీ మురళి పాటకి కృష్ణయ్య ఆశ రేపే మనసుకి కృష్ణయ్య నీ మురళి పాటకి కృష్ణయ్య ఉట్లు కొట్టే అల్లరి కృష్ణయ్య నవ్వులతో చలిమిది కృష్ణయ్య ఉట్లు కొట్టే అల్లరి కృష్ణయ్య నవ్వులతో చలిమిది
kindness, curiosity, enthusiasm into your life to become a successful citizen of our country. These are the qualities, these are the values which you have to imbibe, emulate. Please remember that the curiosity, enthusiasm, kindness, compassion, and standing up against injustice, cultivating love and friendship, and always be humble and grounded in all your achievements. Please remember these. These are the life lessons we all have to remember. It is not only the celebrating the festivals, the events. We have to make the vibrant community and the society remembering the Ras Leelas. As you all know that during this festival, the Ras Leelas, and there are many other activities, pujas and reciting slokas, remembering the slokas from Bhagavad Gita and various art forms. All these things we do on this day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. It is not that one day celebration. We have to remember the values and the life teachings of Lord Krishna. He was mysterious, but to that extent that he would win the hearts of the people around him. So be curious. You can be mysterious to that extent only where you can be liked by the people around you. Enthusiasm and kindness, these are very, very important what we have to remember throughout not only one day, 1 month, 1 year, throughout our lives. May God, may Lord Krishna blessings be upon you, and remember all the life teachings of Lord Krishna. Thank you, children. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. As we come to the end of our celebration, I invite Aparna ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good morning to our respected Priyanka madam, Pro-Vice Chairman Rakesh sir, our principal Dr. Usharani madam, dear teachers. I am very glad to be standing here to express the vote of thanks. Firstly, a heartfelt thanks to our respected Priyanka ma'am and Rakesh sir to grace this occasion. A very special thanks for amazing this occasion today and being an inspiration to all of us. Let us all take this as given, try to put this into practice and be a better version of ourselves. Let us try to be a better version of ourselves by emulating the principles of Lord Shri Krishna. His life itself is an example how we have to lead a life and what is dharma and how it is. My heartfelt thanks to the CCA in charges, Jhansi madam and Sri Lakshmi madam for the vibrant organization of today's event. My sincere thanks to the art teacher Padma madam and the dance teacher children at such a short notice. My heartfelt thanks to Kavya ma'am for rendering such a thoughtful address on this beautiful occasion and highlighting the importance of celebrating Krishnashtami and showing how Lord Krishna can be a real hero and a real role model for all of us. I would like to extend my very big thank you to all our dear students and also congratulate them for presenting such wonderful performances here. I would like to extend my generous thanks to each and everyone who was involved in the successful conduction of today's event. Thank you one and all. Thank you everyone. Jai Shri-